Hello, my name is Aslen Fierro, and this day I will be to present my project is strategies of game and songs to awaken interest towards learning the English language in sixth grade student of the Maranatha Adventist School of San Jose Guaviare, presented by me. Content. Title, research question, general and specific objectives, methodology type of research, research schedule, reference, evidence, and conclusion. Research question. What strategies can be implemented to arouse interest in learning English in sixth grade student of the Maranatha Adventist School in San Jose Guaviare? General and specific objectives. General objectives. Implement motivational strategies that allow students to feel a greater interest in learning and improving their skill in the use of the English language. Specific objectives. Encourage students to make learning English a playful pedagogical experience. Link learning art, music, painting, and drawing in the process of teaching a second language in order to reinforce learning. Stimulate the use of the English language in the development of different activities, valuing the foreign languages as the means of communication. Methodology type of research. This project uses the qualitative research method because it intends to evaluate, vet, and interpret information obtained through their sources such as interviews, conversation, among others, with the purpose of investigating and finding a solution of the problem posed. Descriptive research will be used since it will determine the characteristic of the behavior of teachers and students through observation, dialogue, and the survey, which will be applied to them. Within this research work, a series of playful activities and workshops have been carried out, such as learning English through sports, listening by completing songs, word researchers, scrolls, puzzles, learning vocabulary through movies. All these activities are carried out with the purpose of awakening the motivation in the students, so that they are interested in learning English in a more playful way. In this way, improving language skills. Research schedules. So we have date and activity. August 22 to 26 to November 5th to 4th was the practice in this school. This first classroom observation, learning English through sport, listening, completing songs, letter soaps, crossword, learning vocabulary through words. This all activity that I practice with my students for day to practice your motivation in him vocabulary and learning more easy the English. Then reference and my evidence. The activities, some activities I was realized by them. In last conclusion. In conclusion, it can be said that sixth grade, this is the sixth grade, students of the Maranatha Adventist School in San Jose Guaviare are motivated in a playful, pedagogical washroom games, for example, this. So for future teachers of this grade, this strategy is very functional, having taken into account the context of the students. In the same way, different strategies can be used where games are involved. Thank you for your pay attention.